Good morning, everyone. My name is Raffi Johari, and I work as CEO at startup company called Tech Modular. Today, I will talk about your business plan. I will begin to describe the company description along with the background of the company establishment. Then, I will monitor the target market and marketing strategy. After that, I will explain the sales forecast possible problem. Finally, conclusion and recommendation for solving possible problem are offered. Uh, First of all, I would like to talk about company description and background. Do you find it difficult? Having trouble getting confused when taking care of your business in the current era of digitalization? Check Modular is ready to help you with a consultation or help you create tools to make it easier. This company is owned by Raffi Johari, who has 5 years of experience as a consultant or developer in Tasikmalaya, Indonesia. For Tech Modular, it's my technology with a modular system because I assume that I want to have a system modular that's come from the same component, but is able to handle all the wishes or needs of the company, especially small and medium enterprise or SME. The internet can be said to be one of the basic needs in today's era. Business that use the internet, such as online shop, are also very much numerous. Along with the development of this technology, various other businesses have also begun to develop various applications that can complement that business needs. A company 55.2 million micro, small and business medium enterprise who are considered least in need of technological product will also provide great technological support on this day and age. Tech Modular as a software house tries to meet the need of information technology support. The external factor that motivation me to start this business was saying the lack of technological progress in my city Tasikmalaya. Therefore, apart from saying the opportunity to build this business, I also want to help the people of Tasikmalaya become more familiar with technology. Now, I will continue uh, in the target market and marketing strategy. Tech Modular itself has three markets. Uh, the first is the personal and community who want to create a personal website to share things of information about themselves. Our second target market to businessmen because I believe that definitely need something called digitalization, technology assistant to run their business so that more efficient and able to expand their business reach more quickly. Now, for last my target is my government agency or foundation because in a government people definitely need software to support all span of the world. Now, I will explain about marketing strategies. The guerrilla marketing principle adopted by Tech Modular is attention to conversion. Ah, why is that? Because I think customer is are the king. They deserve to be treated well, which makes them feel comfortable in the future with our business, which in the end they will repeat order and recommended my business to others. So from here at least they help me marketing in my branding densely. Nah, for my own marketing strategy, I have a classified into four types. The first is segmenting, where companies in the form of business to business or B2B activities become consumer or of technology demographic. Segmenting company size and location are no less important as determining to best segmentation for Check Modular. And the second is positioning. Is a product implementation process according to consumer need and supported by 24-hour service and supported by excellent after-sale service. Next is targeting. Target market focus on the community small and medium enterprise, SME, and Tasikmalaya local government institution. And the last in marketing mix or 7P. Think aspect which consists of product, price, promotion, physical evidence, people, and process. Now, for the first P is a product. Every consumer, uh, every consumer made by the Check Modular system is in accordance with the need and demand of consumer with made by order, which is a building in the form of product, application, service, and consultation. For the second method, namely price, this is the cost plus pricing method, where the product price assessment is adjusted to the cost incurred and added with the markup to determine the Trog newspaper selling as direct marketing, Trog website, a company profile, and portfolios. Internet marketing, Trog social media, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or other internet marketing. Trog social media YouTube, search engine optimization or SEO, and Trog sales promotion through various information technology events. In the future, this Check Modular press is planned to be located in developing area in the Tasikmalaya area. In the future, it can be expected to send a team to go to consumer place. For 5P, which is a physical evidence, L employees Check Modular when going to meet consumer are required to wear uniform because uniform are special identification card supported by other equipment such as laptop, server, printer, modem, router, and other. Furthermore, our contour employees have a undergraduate education standard, or it could be a vocational high school with a record that they already have sufficient experience to work according to their field, and it can be expected that they can also work with a high work ethic, smile, friendly, and behave professionally and able to see condition and situation in the term of communication. Nah, cutting mic or the last P, it is a process. Ilse focus on the communication given to customer because from this communication it can be how big and broad a consumer need are starting from the proposal business, project work, data collection, taking feedback on product, delivering product to consumer, as well as providing user training program to consumer. Let's move and discuss another important thing, namely a sales forecast. A graph of estimate earning for 5 years. In the term of sales, the company believes their sales will continue to increase every year. However, this slight increase will only occur the early year because it is a period of introduction to the general public. In the first year, will use a money burning for marketing and allow us to lose financially, but now it expects to have a good impact in the company. However, for the the next 4 years, sales are predicted increase, and it is highly expected that the IPO will be carried out immediately. Although the company optimistic to continue to grow in the first 5 years, it cannot that various problems which are such as uh, okay, sorry. And number one, investor losing interest in the startup company development. And number two, emergence of other competition. And number three, lack of technological insight in the community. Nah, to address this possible problem, several themes of negotiation need be to offered. Some of the terms as a following, and number point one, involving the investor in any decision making process. Number two, always learning and innovation to always be up to date. And the last are point three of always interact with the community and explain how important the digital world is today to make work easier. Nah, finally, let's have the key point or conclusion of this session. Next, a business plan was made for a store company called from a tech medulla. And number two, maintain a healthy financial position offered for the next 5 years. And number three, the company will also taking margin in the early years. And number four, it is expected to grow well over the next 5 years. And number five, the company decide to give negotiation term to the new investor to keep their consultant interest in the business. Oh, we have now come to the end of presentation. Thank you very much for your interest and the attention.